Looking for the best mini slow cookers? In this video we look at some of the top 3 mini slow cookers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Elite Gourmet 1.5 quart slow cooker. Pros: holds 1.5 quarts. Works well for entrees as well as desserts. Dial is simple, easy to set. Good for people who live alone. Heats up fast and is better than lugging larger slow cookers to events. Easy to store at home. Stainless steel exterior and glass lid. Cons: lid is a little small. Can be hard to mix in as the container spins around and needs holding. May put off chemical odor when plugged in initially. Bottom line: this slow cooker can warm small dishes at home for parties and tailgating. At number 2. Crock-Pot Lunch Crock. Pros: warms food better than a microwave. Good for leftovers, single meals, and keeping soup hot. Looks like a cool lunchbox and co-workers will be intrigued. Works well for bringing food to work, camping, and heating up dishes. Dishwasher safe and inside liner is spill proof. Cons: may warp over time and not stay sealed. Can't cook in it. In a container lid doesn't always stay on tight. Bottom line: small but mighty, this food warmer holds up to 20 ounces. It won't cook food, but it will keep it warm. At number 1. Instant Pot Mini Duo 7-in-1. Pros: this 3-quart slow cooker offers 7 cooking methods, from pressure cooker to rice steamer to yogurt maker. Cooks multiple items at the same time. Poaches eggs in 2 minutes, cooks potatoes in 12 minutes, and makes rice in as fast as 4 minutes. Includes several accessories, like a rice paddle and soup spoon. Cons: with 7 cooking methods, may seem complex until you get the hang of it. Bottom line: you'll wonder how you ever got by without this appliance. Take it on the road, boating, in the RV, or use it at home. Good for smaller families. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.